John here from my Xpressions. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome to another installment of my Xpressions Pandora Catalog. I started this series not too long ago where I plan on featuring different charms from my collection so that you can see where the hallmarks are located in each of these charms. Today I'll be featuring the original celebration cake. Pandora has come up with a new version of this charm where it's a little cake slice dangle, but this is the original two-tone. So I'm going to remove it from the charm bar real fast so you guys can take a quick better look. The goal of these videos is to try to make them as quick or short as possible so you guys can just see the details of each charm. Please never mind my nails as they have been slowly chipping and peeling. But again, I'm giving these extreme close-ups so you guys can see the details of the charm, so that in case you find that you're looking for a pre-loved charm on Facebook or eBay, you know what these charms should look like. So on the bottom here, the bottom tier, you can see it's kind of like a flower, like a star shape, like pattern, I guess I can say. And then the middle tier has these little dots. There's 3 on one side and 3 on the other. Then on the very top tier here we have kind of like a little squiggle line. It reminds me of the raindrop safety chain pattern. And then of course on the very tippy top we have the heart, the two-tone heart. Now I believe I bought my charm from Rulala, so we know that this is authentic. And I know I discussed this with Diamond D where she wanted to know what mine looked like. And according to the stock footage or the stock images online, the heart has like no stem. Here mine has a tiny little stem where it's poking out, and in stock photos the heart is a little bit lowered and soldered closer to the thing. I actually wish mine was like that, because there is a danger of this heart popping off. If you're not careful with it, it could break off. But if you're careful, it should be fine. And of course on the bottom has this really weird like swirly kind of like hearts almost. I'm not sure what to describe this. I'm not sure what this is supposed to be. And of course we have the S925ALE hallmark there at the bottom. Pretty obvious on this charm at least. Gonna put it back on the bar real fast so you guys can take a closer look. This charm, I believe I couldn't find more information on it, but this charm predates 2011. So I don't quite know when this charm was made or introduced to the Pandora collection. It could be 2008 for all I know, so it's before 2011. But it was retired in the year of 2015. Sometime around April or May. It was not limited edition. It was part of the regular collection. And unfortunately, like I said, I don't know when it was released, but I know it was released before 2011 and retired in 2015. I hope this video has been educational for you guys. I hope you've enjoyed it. Like I said, the goal to make these videos are short little videos so you guys can see the hallmarks and you guys can check the authenticity of your charms compared to mine, which are all are authentic. And until next time, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.